Bringing you the other story, I'm Hassan Abdullah. In this episode, we take a look at the state of forensics in Pakistan. Now, criminals are not the only ones who are getting more sophisticated by the day. In fact, the very techniques used to investigate their crimes are also developing in sophistication. But a pertinent question we have to ask is, are we keeping up to date in Pakistan? And are we actually utilizing that technology to our advantage? Our correspondent Azaz Sayed takes a look at that pertinent question for us.
This has become a usual sight in Pakistan. Soon after a terrorist attack, law enforcement agencies rush to the crime scene. If anything, they destroy it with their clumsy handling of important objects at the crime scene.
In the provincial level, we still work on those old methods, old procedures, old ways of doing things. We do not have the advanced technology which has come into the whole science.
Experts believe that forensic science can increase the conviction rate in terrorism cases.
If we have this facility in Pakistan, I am sure that the detection rate of crime can be controlled, and the detection rate of what it is right now, the conviction rate, if we look at an average, it is from 4 to 6%. If we apply forensics in our investigation and in our crime cases, we can jump up to at least 25 to 30%, and if not more.
The National Police Bureau has requested the government to establish advanced forensic laboratories in Islamabad, Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta and Karachi. Its revised project concept was approved by the Central Development Working Party on 30th April 2008. Yet the project has not been implemented. Officials at the National Forensic Science Agency remain optimistic, however.
The federal government is fully supportive of establishment of this lab because this is the need of the time. We need a state-of-the-art or an advanced lab to look into the forensics, the crime scene investigation and other aspects of the criminal activities in Islamabad and the rest of the country.
So how much time would it take for establishing?
This will take about 2 years. It will take 2 years and maybe another 1 year.
The government is moving at a snail's pace to introduce modern technology in the field of criminal investigation. This is despite the fact that ongoing war on terror requires it to use state-of-the-art equipment and modern techniques to defeat militant groups that have been targeting innocent civilians and security forces in the country. Azaz Sayed, DawnNews, Islamabad.
Azaz Sayed there reporting from Islamabad. Well, it's time now for a very short break, but there's a lot more coming your way, so don't go anywhere.